Hi guys, so again I'm back. So in today class I'm teaching you the winter, about more information about the winter, that what we like to do in winter and which food we like to eat in winter. So in last videos I have told that this poem has written by Frederick Ogden Nash, and she was an in fact sorry he was an American poet who's known for his humorous poetry. In fact, in one in his an interview, he said that if he think in term of rhymes, if he don't when he was 6 years old, when he couldn't find any words to rhyme of his poetry, then he would often invented a new word so that the children, so that they can excite and they can just have much for fun. Now in last videos I have given you the more information about the winter, that it is the seasons which comes before the spring. In fact, winter is usually very coldest seasons in India, in every places. Sometimes if too much coldness is there, then freezing, then snow and ice falls there. In fact, even places that don't get the any snows and freezing temperature, then cold season are still have a winter season, cold weather are still a winter season. Now winter is the perfect time to enjoy the beauty of the season. So winter is the perfect season that we can enjoy the beauty of the nature and beauty of the winter season also. Most of the times when we will see that if winter season is there, then too much like fogs are there. In fact, we can't see because of the fog, and in fact when sun is rising, it is very difficult to we can see the suns in summer, in winter seasons. And so winter seasons, in fact, whether you are traveling, because winter season is a perfect season to enjoy the beauty of the winters to the season. Now whether you are traveling or enjoying holiday, in fact, or celebration something in your own hometowns, there's never a shortage of things to do in the winter seasons, because mostly if we have functions in the winter season, that is the perfect season for the any functions and for any marriage ceremonies, because cold season is like we can enjoy the winter season also, and we can enjoy the nature also. But in summer season, if we can go in a celebration, then it's so too much sweating is, then it can spoil our mood also. So it's better that winter season is the most good season, so it's not sweating. In fact, we feel good from inside also. And then winter is caused by the axis of the earth in the hemisphere being oriented away from the sun. When it is winter in the northern pole, then it is the summer in southern pole. So it is the opposite, like suppose if it is the north pole, if it is in north hemisphere, if it is winter, then opposite side south hemisphere is the summer. Like that, the north is, if the north is like days, then south is like a night. So it is the opposite, like if north hemisphere is winter, then where the country is in the south hemisphere, that all it brings the summer season. Then in many regions, winter is associated with snow and freezing temperature. In fact, if too much winter season is there in such places, we can associate. In fact, we can see that the snow and freezing temperature will be there. In fact, what we like to do in winter season, that I will told you in the next videos, that which food we like to eat, and which interesting games we like to, and in fact it's the indoor or outdoor, which games we are interested to play in winter season, that I will told you in the next videos. Please watch the next videos, and I hope that you understood the chapter, and in fact you can know much more about the winter season. And so again, like whatever the homework I am giving you, please complete it in your legible handwriting and good handwriting, and use dark pencil. And whatever the homework I am giving you, please you can complete it in your copy question answer. So whenever the school will open, you will not be in trouble, because see, this I am repeating in every classes, in every video, so that it is what it should just go in your mind, that it is very important that study and work, homework is very important. Like suppose I am teaching you the online class, so whatever the homework I am giving, this all homework I want that you should complete it in your copy. So whenever the school will open and you have to face me, don't think that it will not open, school will not open in this year. It will open within 1 month, and then after you have to face me and you have to show me all the homework. So it's just a request, so because you have a lots of time, so you can just use the time, you can complete the online classes. In fact, you can play the games also, but don't go in outside. You can play inside with your family members, and you can complete your work, and you can just attend your online classes also. Thank you. And for more information, like what we like to do, what we like to play in winter season, which games we like to play, that you should watch in the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.